Why do you suck? Why do you suck so much?
I went to the flight detector.
Damn, I died.
With the buffer
Not the intro dick, nigga.
Bro, what? We're gonna grab one person and just stick a bunch of C4 into that person.
So a suicide bomber, okay.
Bet. Everyone go to the beach. Everyone meet at the beach.
Oh, you little bitch! I'm dying. I died.
Look at the what?
Everyone go to the beach.
I'm Mr. Sticky. Sticky's one shot, dog.
Bro, Mr. Sticky, let me end your life. Hey, bro, what the?
He just trying to kill you.
Oh, get this guy.
Yeah, who is this guy?
I'm dead. Don't let. Okay, I'm dead. Bro, we need better teamwork. I'm not gonna lie to you. Everyone head to the beach.
Yeah. Can you like make teams?
No, you can't.
Oh,
What did?
revive you.
Revive him.
Reviving you.
Mr. Sticky's gonna kill me. I swear.
Look. Hey!
Oh shoot! No!
Bro,
Alright, if you target me again, I'm reporting you. Mark my words.
Oh.
What is that guy's problem?
I'm being jumped. Bro, how? Bro, you know everyone. You know that green house. You know that green thingy.
Yeah, we need a better place to
Go
like.
there, go
Yeah,
there.
go into the
Go
green.
there.
Go into the green thing. Go into the big green house thing.
Break
It's not
the
a
big greenhouse thing, dog.
Bro, there's someone here. There's someone here looking at me. Oh,
I
bro.
think that's a mountain, not a house.
Whatever it is, just go there.
Ow! Little slut!
Oh, I found hate. Hey, calm down,
dead,
calm
I'm
down.
dead. Clueless, you just walked on me getting murdered, bro. Everyone go there. Everyone go there. Come on, everyone. Bro, I just see everyone just running over.
Our tribe
Oh!
is full of winners.
Over here.
Hi!
Help!
What?
This bitch
Get
out.
him easy. Let's go.
Bro, everyone go there.
Guy
Guy right here.
Get him!
Go, everyone into the house. Everyone to the house, bro.
Get him!
Everyone.
Run! Somebody help me!
Bro.
And the guardian's
Krebsy,
doing Mr.
Krebsy,
Sticky.
come here. Krebsy, don't move,
What?
Krebsy, don't move.
No!
Oh no!
What? How? Oh,
Who died?
bro.
Bro!
My back. How?
Ah!
No, you wanna play this? Okay, then.
Control your voice, right?
Bro, oh my god. I got blown up, bro. Chill.
Oh, you guys.
Hey, I'll help
Don't
you.
even edit.
Bro, Sticky, help. Stop. Oh, I killed Sticky.
Damn, though.
Yo!
Bro, I'm on a murder spree right now, bro.
Yes, we did. No, that was you, boy.
Bro, that scream. Bro, we need to all meet somewhere. You know, everyone meet at the tower.
You trying to kill us, friend? What
Nah,
are you telling me?
I won't. I promise.
What tower?
The middle tower. The tower in the middle.
Aha!
Our
That
middle,
It's like over there.
The trampoline. You lost.
Bro, I'm just like.
Fucking power.
Do you not see the big
What
tower
are
in
you
the middle?
doing, Kyrie?
Ah,
Bro, Bro, everyone meet at the tower, bro. Stop attacking each other.
hey,
Krebsy, go to the tower. Krebsy, go to the tower.
oh, hey, how are you?
Oh, hi, guys. Oh. Hi, guys. Everyone just meet up here. Don't move. Oh, we're being sniped at.
She broke on me. Oh,
Ah! Bro!
Oh, my legs.
I took it!
What
I
the
took
fuck?
Red's legs!
legs.
I took Red's legs! Red's legs not mine.
Bro, Clue, what the Nah, Clue, you're not slick, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, are you serious? You got me killed. You got me killed, bro. Bro, everyone meet at the beach. Where Cairo is, yeah. Oh, there's a grenade.
Oh, man. What is with all these people damaging me?
Okay, everyone. Who's this guy? Oh my god, bro.
Oh. Oh. No.
that man.
Ow. Ow.
Bro, who is this guy? Everyone get him. Get him.
Watch
My bad. My bad.
Bro, what?
My God.
Bro, why would you set me on fire?
Oh my god.
Bro, stop, Mr. Sticky. Bro, I swear to God.
Oh, I got Mr. Sticky. Let's fucking go.
Bro.
Ow! Ow. Who the fuck are you? Ow, bro!
Bro, what is it?
Bro, where is everyone?
We're in the beach.
Oh, I blew myself up.
Oh.
I need help. Can someone revive me, please? I'm almost dead.
Revive me!
I'm dead. Damn. Well,
Oh.
wow, Cramsy.
I should have killed you.
Do
Mr.
it.
Sticky. You know, everyone team up on Mr. Sticky. Everyone team up on Mr.
I
Sticky.
didn't kill Mr. Sticky.
Kill him. Just don't let him attack me, bro, please.
Bro, Mr. Sticky's already dead, though. Bro. Serious.
Oh my god. I can't see anything.
You know what, I'm gonna just attack random people. I can't take this shit no more, bro.
Bro, sick of life. Bro, who is King Noob? Clue, you're just watching me get murdered, bro? Revive me, please.
Mr. Sticky, get him!
Revive me, Kairu. Thank
What
you,
is
bro.
going on?
Bro, Mr. Sticky made him
Oh,
leave.
hi, how's it going? You okay there,
Let's
buddy?
fucking-
Who's this?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Are you serious, my brother?
Who's Apple Juice, bro? Some guy named Apple Juice just killed what's his kid.
Who's Floopy though?
Everyone dance, yeah, bro. Ah! Bro!
Hey!
Everyone,
Ah,
you know,
shit.
everyone meet at the castle. Everyone go in the castle. Go inside the castle.
I got killed by Floopy.
Man, I took an arm and
Wow.
Bro, where is everyone? I'm just here by myself. Crampsy,
Oh,
no!
We're trying to get back. Everyone is trying to kill us.
Turn around.
of course.
Help me! Ren, I just died in your face!
Because I told you not to fight them, bro.
God damn it, Rain.
My bad, bro.
Help!
Uh,
Help me!
Oh my gosh.
I'm literally about to die from a guy! Help!
Bro, everyone jump, no simp. Everyone jump, no simp.
Wow,
Sim.
nobody helped me.
I got him.
We don't even know where you are.
Ah!
a lot of
Bro.
people are dying.
God damn.
Fuck. Alright, not how I wanted my day to go, but
Bro, who keeps blowing people up? Ah! Bro, what? Why am I on fire? I'm dead.
oh shit.
Oh, Mr.
Everyone.
Edgar,
Okay,
why?
everyone. This is gonna be army training. This is gonna be army training, bro. Okay.
I can't see. My,
just
my
go to a
left body
bar, go for army
Everyone, wait. Everyone, go to the castle thing. We were at before. Okay.
Yeah, we're,
Oh my god, it's a lot.
my left.
Who wanna come here?
Everyone go to castle. Everyone go to castle. Everyone go to castle.
God.
Ah, fuck.
Go to the
Bro,
house
I'm
place. Go
half
to the house place, bro.
I'm
Oh,
half
That
disabled.
house place.
Yeah, bro. The
Mr.
house
Edgar!
place.
God.
Bro, Mr. Edgar.
Bro,
Yeah,
I
Mr.
don't
Edgar?
understand. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
know where
Mr.
the hell
Edgar,
I
he
was.
killed me without no reason.
Okay, Crampsy, sit at the table. Sit at the table, please. Okay.
You're gonna blow me up, bro.
No,
I know
I
you.
won't. I promise. If I do, I'll give you ownership of the server, bro.
Look at me. Look at me.
Yes!
Go sit down over there.
Can you heal my arm
I
somewhere?
don't have
I'm
anything.
bleeding out.
Bro, you're fine.
Bro, did you just die, Rin? I feel like you have an
I'll help
explosive.
you, whoever that is.
Wait, how
No! No!
Bro, where is everyone? Why is only why?
Ren, don't you hear the screams? Stop fighting.
Bro, everyone come over here. Hey, Clueless, put the grenade down.
Oh shit.
Bro, Clueless.
Who threw that grenade?
That was Clueless.
The wizard!
Bro, Clueless, come back. I swear to God.
Okay.
Hey, bro.
I
Yeah.
promise I won't do anything. If I do, I'll leave the server.
I'm gonna do something though.
Where are you?
Hey, put the grenade down. Put the grenade down. Put the grenade down.
Do it.
God damn.
Bro,
No, 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 weapon.
where is
Hey,
everyone?
Hey, I didn't throw it.
Where is everyone, bro? Why are there only 4 people here? There's supposed to be 8.
I don't know where you are.
We're inside the
Clancy,
greenhouse
Clancy,
thing.
don't! Clancy!
Me.
Hey, come to the house thing, bro.
I'm disabled.
Hey, where are you?
Nicky, you say I'm just.
Bro, everyone stay here. Everyone stay here. Who's that?
It's
Okay,
not fair.
everyone
I'm
here.
just
Okay,
saying,
everyone,
like-
everyone. We need to have a meeting. We need to have a meeting. Okay, everyone sit at the table.
I'm not even part of this clan.
Okay.
Bro. What's up?
Yeah.
Bro, Clueless, you gotta come over here, bro. You're not slick.
Well, he has his own table. He's in his own table right now.
Okay, how many of us have explosives like C4s?
Nigga, I ain't got no damn.
Bro!
Ah!
Okay, Mr. Edgar, you're getting banned from
Bro,
the
why
server.
the fuck you throwing that, bro?
From the
Banned
server,
from through it.
you'll never be coming back.
Hey, that's me! That's me! God dang it!
So wait, who threw that?
Oh,
That was
Mr.
Mr.
Edgar.
Edgar, bro.
killed me.
Help! I'm being
Ren
stunned!
killed me.
Bro, help! Revive me!
Now, Ren, you want to play with me?
No, don't kill me, please! Don't kill me!
Wait, how do I
Don't
revive
kill!
you?
Oh my
Oh.
god! Bro, hey, why would you do that?
I don't
Oh,
Ah,
no, please
fuck. I'm being hit by some penguin,
Yeah.
man. What the hell?
I took your left.
Hey, come here, hey, come here, hey, come here. I need you to do me a favor. Hey, I need you to do me a favor. Stand still, stand still.
Oh, I'm getting followed! Please help me! Help me!
Go, 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 jump, go, jump, go,
help
go.
me! Help me! Help me!
Oh, God.
Ren,
can't-
Ren, please
can't
help
help
me!
you.
I'm getting followed.
It's an airdrop! Airdrop incoming.
I'm getting followed by Icy. Ren,
By who? I see you. I'm
please
coming.
Help me!
Bro, why you?
Help me!
I'm trying. Ah! I got
Help me.
murdered.
So there's a whole fight over there.
Bro, everyone go inside the place. I come to the table. Everyone come to the table. I need to tell you guys something. Okay?
God,
No,
damn
no,
it,
you're
your
gonna
house
tell me.
is
He's
crazy.
gonna blow us up.
No, I won't. I won't. I
Bro,
won't. I
someone
won't. I
just
won't.
did
Yes, you killed me!
No, I won't. I
No,
promise.
if
I
you
promise. I
want-
won't. I promise. I won't. I promise. I won't. I promise.
I want them.
We
I
want
want
to
them.
kill
Right
you.
now.
Everyone go to the table. Everyone go to the table. Okay?
Okay, Mr. Edgar, I want to kill you so bad, but if I do, I'm gonna
No,
get silver
no.
and banned.
So, hey, Mr. Edgar, sit down there. Mr. Edgar, sit down there. You're getting banned. If you
Stay
don't-
on my muddy shoe, you lackey.
God, shut up.
Okay,
shut
how
up.
many of there are? Okay, we're gonna go after one person specifically. Okay, I'm gonna go out. You guys
Go
stay here.
go for Icy, bro. She
No,
was
no. Everyone
I
stay
think you
here.
just said people.
Everyone stay here. I'm gonna find our victim.
I'm
Okay?
being safe right now. Hey, Clueless, turn around.
Where the hell is your arm
I'm
and
being
leg?
safe right now. I'm looking.
Okay, everyone who has C4s on them.
Where?
I have a
Okay.
sequel, I have a flag.
I don't
in
even
it.
have people.
Who has C4s?
I only got a grenade, my
Bro.
I'm
Okay,
broke.
okay. Who
Wait,
wants?
yes, you.
Who's good? Who wants to jump into the crowd?
E.
I will.
Bet.
Hey,
Come
get
here.
the fuck away.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What are you doing?
Bro,
I
stop
wanna be
moving.
Suicide Bomber. I want to be Suicide Bomber.
You know, whoever takes it, takes it.
I got it.
Why?
I blew it up too early. I blew it up too. Revive me, please. Please. Ah.
Why?
Bro, Mr. Edgar, what? Bro,
Thank you.
Mr. Edgar, you're getting banned, bro.
Hey, bro, I suck, bro.
Ah!
Bro,
What is he? Oh my
I
god.
disconnected Mr. Edgar from the call. Never mind. I'm being attacked, bro. Guys, help. Guys, help me. Guys, please.
No, Hate is jumping me.
Bro, help.
man,
Duck
these
axolotl, bro.
yellows are-
I got murdered in cold blood, bro. Tell me when to blow up. Tell
Suicide
me,
Bomber.
tell me when to do it. Tell me when to do it.
Ugh.
All right. Who are we killing? Who are we killing?
Just anyone. Just anyone. Run into a big crowd. Wait, why'd you blow up? You just blew up randomly.
Bro,
Bro, chill.
Just go there.
Oh my god, I'm being jumped.
Wait, come here. Ren.
Yeah, get that guy. Oh my, Jesus
Where?
Christ.
Bro,
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
there's some guy chasing me with a baseball bat.
Get unknown, get unknown. Unknown. I died. Bro, Mr. Edgar keeps killing me.
Ah!
Hey, come here, come here.
Let's fight. Oh,
Bro, I don't even know.
Hey, go, hey, go, hey, go.
come back. Come on, bro. What was the point of hitting me? Good, I'm done. It's good. Who the fuck is that?
Bro, I just bullied it. Hey, what the? Bro.
No, I hate this nigga, bro. I hate him. Alright, shoot.
Bro, chill. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god!
Bro. Edgar, come here, Edgar, come here.
I have both of
What
somebody's
the
arms
heck?
on my stick.
Okay, y'all guys can be very just. Shoot.
Hey, protect me, please. Hey, please.
Oh, wow.
Protect me, please.
Wow, you're-
Hey.
Bro,
Oh,
don't tell me
I'm trying
y'all
to
are
get
at
this-
the house. Yeah,
You hit me.
Red. Come here.
Kairu, come here. Kairu, come here.
What the heck?
Don't you even think about it. You just playing that C4. Bro. I don't like you no more, bro.
Damn.
Hey, head
Edgar,
back
help!
to
Edgar, help!
the, back to the green place.
That's my buddy, man.
Oh, I hate.
Ow, why?
Guys, head back to the green place.
Yeah, everyone head back to Green Blaze. Hey, let's go. Hate's my Secret Service. Bro, wait. I'm running low on stamina, bro. Bro, hate's my Secret Service right now. Everyone's at Green Base.
Help! Ah!
I have nothing but my sickle. Oh, there's a guy in here!
What? Ow.
Bro, Edgar, revive me, please! Edgar, please! Revive me! Oh my god. Oh god. I need bandages.
Help
Okay.
me! I'm on the stairs, help me! I got fucking murked. God damn it.
Don't worry, I threw a C4 on them. Never mind, I missed.
I'm gonna let me die like that, god
Oh my
damn.
gosh, what the?
Someone be a
What are you
suicide
doing?
bomber. Oh wait, I missed.
So,
Hey,
on me!
hey, you got this. I believe in you. Go! Go, Hate.
Girl at the house once again.
Who is
Damn, I got somebody
Oh,
dead.
wait, why did Hate just get blown up? He just got blown up randomly. I didn't even press it either.
And having your neck on at the
Oh, sh
Ah, what the?
It's just me, too.
Stop it.
Bro.
Just for that, I'm about to bomb all three of us for or
Hey,
four.
bro, chill.
Right? I'm done with you guys.
Ah! Oh my
Oh!
god. Kyrie, you got like 5 kills
Oh,
just
what
now.
the hell?
It's just all chaos up there, bro.
I don't think we should group together because I think that's how we die.
Go back to the green.
Yeah, everyone go inside the greenhouse. Everyone go inside the greenhouse.
It's not a greenhouse. It's a fucking mountain.
Bro.
Whatever it is, I don't care.
That house is always gonna get raided.
Fucking mountain that has inside.
Then we can I can barely even get there without
Oh,
dying.
how you doing?
Ducks
Everyone
axolotl
meeting at the
with-
table. Everyone meeting at the table.
Meeting at the table.
Yeah.
Everyone's going to meeting at the table.
Cleaning up the table.
Oh!
Look at this C4 right there. Bro, Red, I really hope you did not put that there.
I did. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, why are you guys killing me?
Bro, you tried to trick us. What you mean?
Nah, bro, I would never.
Really?
Who was there a C4 under
Don't
the
think I
That was not me. That was not me. I didn't know. I don't know who that was, bro.
Oh
Bruh.
my gosh!
If it's anything, I've only been seeing you use the C4. So
Nah, bro, I don't know what you're talking about.
Exactly.
Oh!
Murked this bitch.
Oh, Mr.
Ah.
Edgar! Okay,
Help me! God dang it!
Has anybody got enough Robux for the?
I want you to die in real life.
Bro. Oh, hi,
I hope
Cramsy.
all of you guys die.
I realize.
Joking, Mr. Edgar. I
every
love you.
single
I would
one
like-
of y'all here,
I
bro.
would like to have sex with you.
What?
I would like to have sexual intercourse.